Hey, welcome to Archmaster. This is an AI application focused on the design domain. If you're a designer, you can't afford to miss it. Welcome to use it on the official Archmaster website. We have already started creating video tutorials for Archmaster and will continue to update them on YouTube. Friends interested in Archmaster, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Just one image can replace objects in the rendering. A single material image can instantly change the building's texture. Upload a concept image to get a landscape sculpture that fits a scene. Even providing a facade image can turn it into your architectural design. What if you want to place this sofa into a living room photo? Previously, we had to reshoot the sofa, then spend hours in Photoshop aligning perspectives and lighting. This process was time-consuming, costly, and cumbersome. Now, with Archmaster's Object Swap, you can seamlessly transplant architectural, interior, or landscape objects or even materials into renderings with a single click, perfectly matching angles, colors, and lighting. Starting this episode, I will introduce a key Archmaster tool Object Swap. Given the extensive content, I will divide it into 2 episodes. In part 1, I will use cases from interior and architectural design to explain Object Swap. In part 2, I will focus on landscape design cases for Object Swap. Okay, let's begin. Let's start with an interior design case. First, go to the Archmaster homepage, click AI Tools, and select Object Swap. If you want to change the sofa style in this image, upload the picture. Quickly select the sofa with the editing tool, then upload the replacement object image. You can upload a local image or choose from Archmaster's rich online library. Under the indoor furniture category, pick a sofa you like and click Generation. After a short wait, the new sofa will perfectly replace the old one with realistic textures and lighting that matches the original image. If the chandelier isn't to your liking, simply paint over it with the tool. Upload an image of your preferred crystal chandelier. Click Generation, and soon the new chandelier will be seamlessly integrated into the original image with excellent results. Next, let's look at another application scenario. If you've generated 2 renderings with Archmaster and prefer the overall atmosphere of one but like the display cabinet from the other, you can use the Object Swap tool. First, upload the first rendering as the base image and select the display cabinet as the target area for modification. Then, upload the second image as the source of the replacement object and crop out the display cabinet. Once done, click Generation, and the display cabinet from the second rendering will be transferred over. If you also want to change the wall material in this image, simply use the editing tool to select the wall. Upload a material texture image, click Generation, and the material will be quickly transferred. The modified area blends harmoniously with the foreground and surrounding walls. Let's try swapping the carpet as well. After transferring the carpet, the shadows of the sofa and coffee table appear very realistic. Now, let's look at application cases in architectural design. If you don't like the vehicle style in this architectural rendering, upload the image to Object Swap, select the vehicle, click to upload the replacement object image, choose a vehicle, click on an image of your preferred vehicle. Once everything is ready, click Generation. After a short wait, the vehicle style will be successfully transferred. The new image will not only match the vehicle style from the source material, but also perfectly integrate with the overall lighting and shadows of the scene. Let's try another scenario where we use Object Swap to transfer materials. Upload a photo you want to edit. Select the target area that needs modification, then choose a material you like and click Generation. After a moment, the new image will be generated. You can see that the new façade material has been seamlessly transferred into the original image with a harmonious and delicate overall effect. Let's also try transferring an entire building facade. Upload a building image, select the area you want to modify, then find a facade design you like from the online library, crop out the desired section, and click Generation. The new image will be completed quickly. The result is excellent, making it look as if the building was originally designed that way. Transferring another facade design also yields great results. Let's try another building. Object Swap automatically adjusts the transferred facade to integrate naturally with the original 3-story building, achieving a very natural transfer effect. In addition, Object Swap can be used to transfer entire buildings. For example, upload a bridge photo, select the entire bridge in the image, then upload a screenshot of your model in the Upload Images of Migrated Objects section. Click Generate, and your bridge model will be transferred into the scene. Similarly, for this building, simply select it and upload another building image. Soon, the building from the transferred image will be seamlessly relocated into the original environment, with colors that naturally blend with the original image. That's all for this episode. Have you mastered Object Swap now? Feel free to leave comments in the comments section. If you encounter any issues, I'll reply to each one. Brothers interested in Archmaster, be sure to subscribe to our channel. I'll also place the Archmaster website link in the comments section for everyone's convenience. See you next time.